Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter. We're here with the next part of our trash junk journal. I am going to apologise in advance if you hear any little chirps and whatnot. I am puppy sitting. He's occupied with a toy at the minute. I might see if I can get him on camera. If he's entertaining his box, I ain't moving him because he's a little bugger lugs. So, I said I wanted to start seeing about making things to go in these pockets. We do have this large Amazon packaging. So I'm just going to try and open this up. I think we might do a Pam at the paper outpost and work, like, do a bit in one signature, a bit in another signature, just so things are a bit more evenly distributed. That's my thinking. So, bring in a pencil. So we can do a large journal card here. Should I go with scissors? And then we can always neaten it up with the paper trimmer. Woo. Oh, look how far away that was. Now it is very, very blendy. So what have we got that would make it not so blendy? We have a boy's paper bag. That might be quite cute to cover it. Or we have the green tissue paper. Or we have the white I think I like the white because we have the white over here. Bit of glue residue here. Okay, I'm just going to try the Pritt stick with this. Lather it on. So yes, this puppy is my mum's puppy, but I think he's everybody's puppy. My dad's obsessed with him, I'm obsessed with him, my sister's obsessed with him, the other half's obsessed with him. Just a spur of the moment thing. I'm going to have to get another Pritt stick out. I mean, I say spur of the moment. I think we'd all been debating another one. We did just lose a puppy a few months ago. Not a puppy, he was the baby, but he was 16. And it was a Jack Russell. This is a Jack Russell. So yeah, I saw him listed, my mum saw him listed, and it was just, oh dear, that's alright. It was just one of those things where it was just felt like it was meant to be. Oh, why is everything falling and ripping and tearing? I did want to surprise me mum with him, but I hadn't been very well leading up to getting him, so I couldn't drive. He was like 2 hours away, and my sister wasn't available to go and get him that day, and we just knew if we didn't go there. So I said to me, my dad, there's a puppy, you know, the one my mum saw. And he just went, we're going to go and get him. So 2 hours later, the gorgeous little puppy. I thought that might have frightened him, but he's fine. So we're going to let that, and obviously it's blank for writing on, we're going to let that dry. Let's go to the next signature. Oh yeah, I moved some stuff around, just they kept falling out and it's obviously we have big pieces. Oh yeah, I wanted to put that onto something. Is there no large pockets in here? Oh well, let's make something for you to go on. His teeth and something rotten is the problem. He just wants to chew everything. So I'm hoping this toy I've got, it's just one of the other dog's cuddly toys that he doesn't play with anymore. You're a bit snug. Because obviously like Alfie's 15 now. It is, I think, when I put a little thing in his step, he's like, I don't like him. I don't like him, ma'am. Why did Nanny and go and get a doggy? I don't like him. But you'll get used to him. I do love this yellow here. In fact, if we peel that up a smidge. I don't know if I even started recording. I did. Get the peels. Oh yeah. If we take it off. What happened? Do you want to come say hello to the people? I do feel like Pam at the Table Road poster today. He's just a little puppy. Can you go on your back and show everybody that beautiful face? Toby. Hello. You think I'm not happy? You took us away from me toy. But you were crying? You want to go back with your toy? No, you just want to sit on me? This is going to be fun and games, isn't it? So we're making a collage. But that needs something else on it, doesn't it? It does. Yeah, I'm now crafting one-handed, people. That's kind of cool on there, isn't it? Hey? Is that cool on there? Crafting with a puppy one-on-one. That's what this video should be called. No. we're going to cut it about here. What's your face? What's your face? I'm just really conscious I haven't got a video to go out. And it is the first day I'm in the house. And it's with a little puppy. I still feel like I need something over there, Tobes. Like this? Yeah? Oh, but then that's 2 white things and 1 yellow thing. Does not need to be a different colour. Or something that's a bit pink. Eh? Is that a good choice? Yeah, okay. Should we just tear it? Oh, look! It fits around Toby's neck. Toby doesn't want it around his neck. Go on then, back in your box with your toy. Good boy. So there you are, we had a little puppy one-on-one crafting. Yeah, I like that. Right, I need another quick stick out. I don't know how we're going to stick this plastic down. I think I might just hope that the 3-in-1 works. Oh my goodness, that smells like proper old school Pritt stick. Do we like the black or the grey? I think I like the grey actually. He's back with his toy. And then these will probably be better with the 3-in-1 than the Pritt stick. So I think this bit that I'm sticking here is off my IKEA drawers that the bag was up against, and it's literally just fallen off into the bag. I think doing corners like this with rubbish, it just makes it seem less like you're using rubbish. So we've decorated that one up. Yeah. Okay, back signature is here. So we have something there. Oh, I'll tell you what, that did need backing. Yeah. feel like you need a string through you. Oh, what about just stabling something like this on? Yeah. Let's try and get these plastic bits used up that are readily recyclable. Okay, so we want something to go in here. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, that'll go in there. So it's the envelope that I've cut the flap off. Yeah, let's decorate it as we go. And then something can be pushed into it. So we'll have this test kit, but there's some great graphics, and this one is in French or German? German! So yeah, I got these off Amazon, and they came with German instructions and French instructions. And I was like, okay. Yeah, I think that would be cool on there. Oh, I do like that. Oh, I think I like that better. He's getting himself all ripped up over his toy. Aren't you? Oh, ripped up over your toy. And then I do want a flower dye on this. There. I haven't done a bunny rabbit in a while. No, I think I want the flower. I think I want the height. The flower on that other tag beside it. Yeah, good with that one. Ooh, I want it that way though. That is what I am looking for. And I think we're going to cut it out of this. Stick this in place. It's a bit bouncy all over the place. Hello. Well, that's cool. I didn't do my best at positioning it for a die cut negative, but I think we could probably still use it. I think somebody might want to be up again. Am I doing things without you? Hey? I think I might want, if I've got any of them left, you know, the little foil coins. Yeah, does that look good? You like the foil? get a kiss? He still has that gorgeous, gorgeous puppy breath. Now we're going to use our staple now. Can we use the staple on this side? No, we can't. Yeah. But we're going to have little puppy teeth now. Well, if we put it there, it doesn't really matter, does it? Because we'll still get stuff in the pocket. Right, now hold on. Watch your little... The people like to watch us gluing, you know. I don't know if they do or not. No. You entertain them and I'll glue. Yeah, you entertain them and I'll glue. You don't want to glue. Put your paws on that. Put your little paws on that. I think we're going to have to use the 3-in-1, don't they? Yeah, because it's not going to stick to the foil. I don't think. But it might if someone had put his little paws on it. If you get covered in glue, Mum's going to kill us. Yeah. Well, at least he's making sure I'm not drifting down. Yeah. Not all stinky. Oh, what the bacon you sneeze? Did glue make you sneeze? Can you go back in your box for 5? He's literally in the cardboard box. Good boy. Glue your dragon. Get a glue stinky, isn't it? There you are. So you have like a pocket to put stuff in as well. Oh yeah, I was going to stick this on here. I think I'll just staple it on. 2 minutes! So I had Alfie out for a walk and I took Toby with us. I did start carrying him in a papoose, but he kept trying to jump out of it. So then I just ended up carrying him in my arms. And you'd think he would be tired by now, but no, he wants to come play paper crafting apparently. I don't know if that's stable enough for anything to go in it. But the beauty of this is it does that. So maybe something could be stuck down there. Oh, he's a little crier. Maybe. Just maybe. You still have these? Oh, that's a good size to go down there, Toby, isn't it? Oh no, he doesn't like the paper trimmer. Oh, that's beautiful. We need to use that somewhere. And the paper trimmer needs sharpening, doesn't it? What's coming with the scissors? Yeah. Where's the little scissors? That could go in there. I've just seen something on the table I want to use for the top of it. It's just this piece of plastic. And again, we'll get the stapler. So this stapler is from, I want to say it's from Temu. I mean, most things come from Temu these days, if I'm honest. I know. Now you are tired and you want to go to sleep in my arms, don't you? Like that, but I feel like it needs something on it. And I'm thinking out of the pink. This pink. This open glory pink. Because I could just literally cut out of the pink. And you get on my shoulder where you normally sit. Yeah. I feel like you should have been called Paulie or something, because he does just sit on your shoulder like he's a parrot. Don't you? Did it cut? Oh, it did. Yeah, that's going to look pretty on there, isn't it? If you're tired, you can go in your box, you know. Literally sitting on my shoulder. Will this could stick without whipping? Is the question. Does the Peter sign there? I want to keep Peter, Peter. The other animal cruelly. Messes the desk because I can't really tidy you there, can I? So we'll go back to the middle one. So we've got that there, that there, that there. We've got another bucket here. And possibly something bigger in here. So what's going to go in that bucket, Toby? I'm looking at this box actually. No, I think it's a bit small. Keep those out. I want to use those on something. Oh, we have this. Yeah, let's use this somehow. Want to go in your box now? You're tired. Do we know where we put the pencil? You get down because you don't need a paper trimmer. Oh, it's just a Toby approved. Time to go to sleep. Now I know this is all raggedy and whatnot, but I think we can salvage it with some decoupaging. I think if I put the green on the front and the white on the back. Silly. He might actually want to go out for a poo. Let's stick this down and I'll get him out. And look, it's a second. Come on. And we're back. He did have a little wee-wee, so that was good. He's actually, I don't think there's been any accidents in the house with him. I'm very busy and important, you know. Yeah, he does tend to tell you when he wants to go out. So I'm hoping the white especially will give this some rigidity. I think that's such a good word. And you can still see through it. That's my finger, mate. So I do like that. I know it's just, well, it's not the one that makes you sneeze, but it's stinky glue. But you might stick to it. Don't eat the glue. Make you pull your daft bat. Is that a magic tool? Is that a magic tool? Do you like watching that? Hey? Do you like watching that? Do you? Do you keep the people entertained while I do boring cutting? Yeah. Oh. No, that's my paper. It is. So we need a bit more glue over here, Toby. All the way along here. We didn't get any of this. No, don't eat the glue. Stop trying to lick it. I make a pulley. Yeah, I make a pulley. Think it's gonna look pretty when it's done? No? Oh, you got stuck to you. No, you got something stuck to you. It's probably, yeah, one of them birds on outside because you've been getting in the garden. Putting barricades up everywhere. Yeah, I've got a bag of stuff. I've got bricks. This really wants to fold in the middle. Is that how it's gonna go? Yeah, it is. So we might need to put it somewhere else, mightn't we? I mean, it can still fit in there. Watch. Boop. 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 Don't know where you've put me little scissors. Oh, it could go in go in this envelope instead. It could go in this envelope instead. Yeah, it could. But you know what I was thinking? Would this fit on there somehow? Yeah, I think that's decided, isn't it? No, we don't want to eat that, do we? We don't want to eat that. Nobody to cut it off up here. Then we need to cut it off down here. In fact, there's one more down here. And then it could go on there like that. Yeah. Go on there like that. Sorry, can you even see what I'm doing because of him? So hang on, we're going to try and straighten this up a bit. Yeah, that's the bit we're going to work on. The bit with the Toby teeth marks in it now. Yeah. I think someone needs to go back in his box now. He's getting tired. See if he settles. Did you know it's been 15 years since I've had a puppy? And you forget? They're like babies apparently. Did you just bark? Ladies and gents, tonight I just got his first bark on camera. Did you just bark? Did you? Oh, wait until man finds that one out. And you do it again? You do it again? I missed Alfie's first bark. I was at a wedding. And then you can write in there and possibly write something on the back. What about this choose kindness thing? I don't know what to do with these pages. Oh, that could go. We haven't decorated this first part, have we? He's busy eating his own paw now. I mean, we don't have to have anything like huge on here because I quite like just that, you know. I've got to unstick the rubber. There's just some clag on here. Oh, look at die cutting another rabbit out, you know. The little one. Don't know where I put the washi tape. This desk is just an absolute mess. And that's it, he's asleep. I don't know if I like the rabbit on there actually, you know that? maybe there like that. Yeah, let's do that. Now I don't know where I put the glue. Well, that's a pokey tool. There it is. I think I want to try and keep this tissue paper like rolled and not stuck down, if you know what I mean. I just like how it sticks up. I'm thinking of just stapling that on there. I don't think this will wake them up. You could probably sleep through a cover cane. Yeah, I do like that. Just like that. Just goes to show you don't need to decorate the whole thing. Actually, we probably could have put that on as a bit of a tuck spot. Okay. I want to angle these corners. And then I do want, oh hang on, we'll have this little piece here. Do I want that on there? No. Just the way it is. I'm just having a bit of a tidy up as I go. I think I want it a bit thinner. And I just wanted that flexible plastic so it'll fit in there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Perfect. And then I think we'll do this one and call it for the day. So, get this paper. And that is some good sticky tape. So that side for right now. This side we shall decorate. Don't want the white. Ooh. There's the brown. Oops. I think I like the blue. sticky with them. The tiniest slither of it moved. You know what else is great for using like this? Napkins. If you separate them into the thighs, you can do this sort of thing. Oh, you know what's happened here? I think I stuck something down where it shouldn't be. Yep. It's okay, we rescued it. I'm thinking I might have enough stuff here to do another journal, you know. Because it's been fun. I might just take one off camera. And maybe add some sewing to it. And you can sort of see through it. I might actually want that on that side. I feel like I need one more thing here. That's too small. I feel like that's too small. Maybe that, but that's too big. I do love a die cut negative. I could decorate that with something. I'm not sure about the rabbit, you know. I do like that. I do like that. And then something up there. No, is it just that I need? I don't know. What about the word wild? Ooh, that could go on there like a tab. Oh, I do like that on there, but I'm making that decision right now. Hang on though. I want to do a little bit of going around it. Right. Let's do you. What I love to know. It just seems random. Actually, I know what I might want to do. This is kind of fun. Do just a white one. One more. It's kind of fun. Let's do that. This glue may come through. I don't know. And then I'm going to use the 3-in-1 for my little dots. And I want to put some little I'm going to put this many on, but I just got carried away. I think that one might need some. Yes. So let's bring in the journal. I was going to call it a diary there. And that will go in here. That's cool. I might need to have to try and staple that down a smidge. Yes, it's better. So we have that, that, that. I love this. We have a little double card here. We have a little double journal card here. I am thinking that's not my favourite, you know. I wonder what we could add to it. Yeah. So sorry, the battery died. So where were we? Oh, I think it was this. I didn't like the shape of that, so I've just added some more bits here. So I think I want to leave it here because Toby's helped with that one. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.